Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogushola from iDPS. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. Today I have something very important for everyone, whether you are a student anywhere in the world, whether you're an entrepreneur from anywhere around the world, or whether you're an industry professional from anywhere in the world. Today's video is very useful for you because this is a video where I continue to talk about reflections. That means I already made a first video where I talk about making reflections using the STAR approach. The STAR approach is the looking at the situation, the first S, yeah, looking at the targets or the task ahead, which is the T. What actions did you take, which is the A, and we have the double R, the results, and the reflection, yeah. Please see that video on YouTube, reflection using the STAR approach. But in this particular video, I continue to talk about reflection, but now I talk about reflecting using the SOARA approach. Perhaps I should start by reminding us what it means to reflect. To reflect is to look again or to look back on a situation that already happened. It's to think seriously or to look critically or to consider seriously situations that already occurred. That's what reflection is about. No wonder the American philosopher and psychologist John Dewey said, we don't actually learn from experiences, but we only learn when we reflect on experiences. So again, reflection is about looking back, looking again, thinking seriously or considering seriously situations that already occurred. What then is the SOARA approach? The SOARA approach to reflection is a reflection approach that was developed by Professor Agimas Laszlo. I hope I pronounced that right. It's a professor of language from the University of München in Germany, and Dr. Alexander Botos, who is the chief curator of the National Institute of Economic and Social Research, also from the University of München in Germany. These guys discovered or developed rather the SOARA approach. The SOARA, of course, is an acronym that we can use to reflect. Let's start with the first letter, which is the S. You present the situation or the challenge. Yeah? What is the situation? Why did that situation happen? Who are those involved in that situation? When did the situation happen? Where did the situation happen? Yeah? How did the situation happen? That's the situation. You write all of that. Then we have a good picture of the situation. Then we move on to the next letter of the SOARA, which is the O, the objective. Yeah? What did you achieve? You went through that situation. What was the objective? What did you achieve from the situation? Then we move on to the next letter, which is the A. What did you do? What were the various alternatives? Yeah? The action. What did you do in that? You found yourself in that situation. What exactly did you do? Yeah, what were the alternatives? What were the options? Which of those options did you put action on? SOARA, we move next to the next letter, which is the R, results. What were the outcome of your actions? What were the outcome of your actions? Did you meet the set alternatives? Let's not forget the second letter is the O, your objectives. Yeah? So I say again, did you meet those objectives that you set earlier on? Did your actions meet them? That's the result. And then we have the last letter, the aftermath. Yeah, what did you learn from that particular experience? And that's how we can use the SOARA approach to reflect. Remember, when we reflect, we say that we are writing our reflection, or we can actually explain our reflection. Thank you very much. I hope this video, that the SOARA approach, will be used by students, by entrepreneurs, or industry professionals to reflect about situations that already happened. Thank you very much. As you know, we love to hear from you. How do you think we can serve you better? Please write to us at info@idpsconsults.com. That's the email, or visit the website www.idpsconsults.com. Let us know how we can serve you better. We are here to educate the world. Yeah. As you know, I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is that Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing everything to work towards African unity, and keep doing all you can do to ensure that Africa must develop. Thank you very much. In English language, I like to say thank you. In Dutch language, I like to say dankjewel. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I say eshe o. Bye.